No one likes talking about this. What is probate? In today's video, we are going to talk to you exactly about that. And as we always like to say on this channel, let the show begin because we're getting after it right now. If you recently lost a loved one and there's property involved, real estate property involved, and there's only a will, you may be hearing the word probate thrown around. And in today's video, we're going to give you a simple explanation of what probate is, really. And let me break this down for you as simple as we possibly can. So probate is the legal process that the courts will take you through in order for them to, one, distribute the assets in a way that's paying off all debts that the estate may have, and two, making sure that those assets or funds or whatever that may be will go to the correct and intended person in that regard. If there's a will, that could assist them with that direction as far as where things may go. And if there's not a will, then the states, per their law, will determine how those funds will be distributed. If it's to kin, if it's to family members, if it's to whomever at that particular point. But then the courts are making those decisions. With that, if there is a will, the courts also will assign someone or appoint someone, as far as the will is concerned, as an executor. If there is not a will, then the courts themselves will basically determine how the assets and things will be distributed and passed out. Now, I'm going to refer down to my notes because we really want to make sure we get this right. This is very important. Now, if there is a will, probate will confirm all the wishes of that will. And they being the judge in the courts, will assign someone that's called an executor. And that particular person will assist in basically distributing the way that the will wishes for things to be distributed. If there is not a will, then the courts will usually assign someone, maybe a family member, usually a family member, and then state law will determine who inherits what, depending upon what's left in the estate. Now, why is this important? Because if there is someone, unfortunately, that passes by, even if you are kin, you do not have the right to turn around and sell that property. You must, even with a will, go through that probate scenario so that the courts can make sure that the wishes of the will are taken care of and distributed in that manner. This is the court's way of making sure that they can distribute everything the way that the will wishes for things to be. This is not fast and this is not easy. Now, if you are in probate or if you feel as though you're about to go into probate, please do not go through this alone. In this series, we're going to show you exactly what to expect, who to talk to, and how to make this process a little less stressful. Let's take one step at a time together.